friends. Whoa. Well, I was trying to see the stars, but I didn't consider that I'm in a city tonight. And in the city, there's so many lights from the buildings and coming from everywhere that it's kind of hard to see the stars. I know. Let's imagine that the stars come down from the sky and they join us in a starry dance. We can make up a ballet dance to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Bourrée, bourrée, turn around. Plie, saute, leg up and down. Arm in arm, we reach to fifth. Now we turn around like this. Bourrée, bourrée, turn around. Plie, saute, leg up, now down. What's the matter with you? This star doesn't look too happy.